Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first open your phone gallery, then choose the contact that you want to personalize, mark info, tap on edit, and now to add profile picture, tap on this edit icon next to profile picture icon. And here you can either open your camera and grab a photo right now, you can choose something from your gallery, you can create Galaxy avatar or pick one from those stickers. So let me choose something from the gallery. Then customize it however you like. Tap on done and click on save to apply the change. Save one more time. And that's it. As you can see, photo is assigned to this contact. You can also see it here in your contact list. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.